Online dating safety tips. Online dating has become a popular way for people to meet and form relationships. While it may be convenient and exciting, it is important to remember to practice safety when engaging in online dating. Here are some tips to help you stay safe in the digital world. Do your research. Research the person you are talking to and ensure that they are who they say they are. Check out their social media accounts and see if their story matches up. Also, search for any red flags that could indicate that the person may not be trustworthy. Be wary of unsolicited messages. If someone sends you a message out of the blue, be cautious. Don't be afraid to ask questions and verify the person's identity before engaging in conversation. Never share personal information. Do not share your address, phone number, or other personal information with someone you have never met. If they are asking for this information, it may be a sign that they are not who they say they are. Meet in a public place. If you decide to meet up with someone you met online, always meet in a public place. Make sure you let a friend or family member know where you are going and when you will be back. Trust your gut. If something doesn't feel right, trust your instincts and end the conversation. Don't be afraid to block someone who is making you uncomfortable. Be honest. Be honest about who you are and what you are looking for. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. This will ensure that you are only meeting people who are interested in the real you. Be aware of scams. Be aware of any suspicious requests for money or offers that seem too good to be true. Never send money to someone you have never met in person. Take your time. Take your time getting to know someone before meeting up with them. Don't rush into anything and be sure to ask plenty of questions to ensure that you are both on the same page. Use a dating site. Use a reputable dating site that has measures in place to ensure the safety of its users. Look for sites that have safety tips and other resources to help you stay safe. Be careful with shared photos. Don't share any photos that you wouldn't want to be seen by the public. Also, be aware of any requests for explicit photos, as this could be a sign of a scammer. Report any suspicious activity. If you come across any suspicious activity, be sure to report it to the dating site or app. This will help keep other users safe and ensure that the site remains a safe space. Online dating can be a fun and exciting way to meet new people, but it is important to remember to practice safety. By following these tips, you can help ensure that your online dating experience is a safe and positive one.